So now let's see how we can insert out images directly from URL inside of Google Jamboard. But to insert images by using URL, I need to copy out the image URL first. So to do that, I'm just going to go around right here, open up a new tab on my browser, and I'm going to go to pixabay.com right here, where I can find some free stock images that I can use. So here you can see that I got an image. So let's say I want to insert this image over here on my Jamboard. I'm just going to go around and copy its URL. So I'm just going to go around over here and view it out right here so that my image opens up in new tab, and there you go, there's the image URL as you can see. I'm just going to right click and copy this around, and then I'm going to go back over here in Google Jamboard, and if I want to insert that image right here, I'm going to go and click on add image, and you can see that the second option you have is by URL. So once you click on it, you can see paste URL of image is an option. So once you click here, you can right click and paste it, and then this is what you have. You can see that this has been loaded up, and if I were to click on insert image now, this is what you have. You got the image right here, and it is loading out, so it downloads the image from that particular URL, and as with any other object, you can work around with it. And that is how you can insert images from URL inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.